Is your Chrome browser lagging, tracking you, or just feeling bloated? These 10 powerful settings will make it faster, cleaner, and more private. Go to Chrome/settings/system, turn off continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This frees up RAM and improves the startup speed. Too much browsing data slows Chrome down. Go to Chrome://settings/clearBrowserData. Set it to clear cached files and cookies every time you close the browser. Sometimes hardware acceleration can make Chrome buggy. Go to Chrome://settings/system. Turn off use hardware acceleration when available. Third-party cookies track you across websites. Go to Chrome://settings/cookies. Select Block third-party cookies. Go to Chrome://settings/content/sound. Block autoplay by turning off. Allow sites to play sound. No more sudden loud videos.